Okay, so today Emily's going to hopefully eat some cereal. Look, Em. What's that? What's that? She just wants to know what's in the bowl. Oh, okay. Let me see.
Oh, my.
Yeah. You gotta put it in your mouth. Okay, yeah, you can help. Put it in your mouth. No, not on your hands. What do you think, Em? You wanna try it? Look, watch him. You gotta go. Like that, okay? Put it in your mouth, okay? You ready to try? Patrick, get down. You ready to try? What do you think of that, Emily?
Yeah,
that?
maybe.
Try another bite?
Yeah.
Honestly, she wants to play with the spoon. Okay.
Does your food feel good at least?
One more bite?
Face.
Oh. What do you think,
Oh.
Emily?
What do you think of it?
Some more?
She doesn't trust the spoon.
Open wide. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. You can hang up it. That was good. Let me put some more on. Alright. You want to turn the camera off? I think we need to take the entire encounter.
In
Yeah,
a
touch it
moment.
with your finger first.
Yeah, there you go. Scoop it all out and put it in your hand.
Put it in your mouth.
Ah, nom 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 nom.
There you go.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. How's that? How's that
What do you
taste?
think? You want more? You didn't really get that. Well,
She's got some emotions down.
yeah. Yummy!
There you go.